Triad spelling using pentascales. A triad is a 3-note chord that's constructed using the first, third, and fifth notes in a scale. Since we only need 5 notes, we are going to spell our triads using a pentascale. A pentascale is the first 5 notes of a scale. So let's start out with the first 5 notes of a C major scale. C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, and G is 5. Now remember, we only need 1, 3, and 5, so we can get rid of 2 and 4. What we're left with is C, E, and G. C is the root, E is the third, and G is the fifth. Every chord has 2 parts to its name, the letter name and quality. The letter name of the chord is the same as the root of the chord, and the quality that comes from a C major pentascale is a major triad. This triad is called C major. There are 4 different triad qualities that follow these formulas. A major triad is root third fifth. A minor triad uses the root third fifth, except you lower the third. A diminished triad uses the root third fifth, except you lower the third and the fifth. And an augmented triad uses root third fifth, except you raise the fifth. So let's spell some triads. Here is a C major triad. We already know that the formula is root third fifth, so C is the root, E is the third, and G is the fifth. Now to make that minor, the third needs to be lowered. So that E needs to be E flat. We lower it 1/2 step. To make that diminished, we lower the third and the fifth. So the G needs to become G flat, and that's how you spell a C diminished triad. Now to spell a C augmented triad, we have our root third, and then we raise the fifth. So G becomes G sharp. Let's do a flat key. Let's do E flat major. So the first step is to spell your E flat major pentascale, E flat F, G, A flat, B flat, and get rid of 2 and 4, and we're left with E flat being the root, G is the third, and B flat is the fifth. And that is how to spell an E flat major triad. Now to make that minor, we have to lower the third, so G becomes G flat. And to make that diminished, we lower the fifth, so B flat becomes B double flat. Yes, it's 2 half steps down, it's enharmonically equivalent to A. Now E flat augmented, it's E flat, G, and the B flat needs to be raised. It doesn't become B sharp, it just becomes B natural, the flat goes away. So let's do a sharp key. How about B major? First, spell the B major pentascale. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and F sharp. Get rid of 2 and 4, and you're left with B is the root, D sharp is the third, and F sharp is the fifth. And that's how you spell a B major triad. B, D sharp, and F sharp. Now to make that minor, we have to lower the third. It's not D flat, that would be lowering it twice. D sharp becomes D natural. The B minor triad is spelled B, D, F sharp. To make that diminished, we take the 5th degree, which is F sharp, and we lower it to become F natural. The B diminished triad is spelled B, D, F. To make it augmented, we take the 5th and we have to raise it a half step, but it's already sharp, so we have to use a double sharp. And that's the symbol for double sharp. Happy spelling.